Hello, and welcome to the Kingdom YouTube channel. My name is Luna, and in this video we'll be going over how to make cool custom cloud brush in Photoshop CC. What you first want to do is open a new file and import an image of a cloud. A link to where you can find the cloud being used in this video can be found both in the description below and as a pinned comment. If you would prefer to use another cloud image for your custom brush, try to pick an image with a good resolution and centralized single cloud. Having a pixelated image will make the next few steps very difficult, and having a cloud that spills over the borders of an image will leave you with an awkward brush shape. Unsplash.com is a great place to start looking. Now, having imported our cloud picture, we can single out our chosen cloud from the unnecessary sky by creating a rectangle using the rectangular marquee tool around the cloud, clicking select, then reverse to select everything outside our rectangle, then backspace to delete. Now, pressing Ctrl-Shift-U on PC or Command-Shift-U on Mac, we will desaturate the cloud, making it gray and white.
And the people listening to this record?
Next, you'll want to press Ctrl-I on PC or Command-I on Mac to invert the white on the cloud to black. And then Ctrl-L on PC or Command-L on Mac to bring up the level adjustment. Now, moving only the arrow on the far right, we want to turn the remaining grayscale to white. For the image I'm using, which you can find a link to in the description below, 125 is good. Depending on the image you're using, you may have to slide the far right arrow more or less. Then, using the magic wand tool, click on the remaining white around the cloud, then click backspace to delete. Lastly, Control on PC or Command on Mac, click on your cloud layer to select your cloud. Then click Edit, Define, and Brush Preset. You now have your very own cloud brush. Right now it acts more like a stamp, but by going to your brush settings, you can tweak your new brush however you like. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. The script for this video can be found on our Patreon. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see them not only continue but improve in quality, consider supporting us on Patreon and or Ko-Fi. Links in the description below. Fuck these stupid fucking scripts.